to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious peach cobbler. Amazing and perfect for the holidays. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious homemade peach cobbler, these are the ingredients: cinnamon powder, cornstarch, nutmeg, salt, milk, vanilla paste or vanilla extract, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 can of 29 ounce of peach with the juices, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. This is everything you need to prepare this delicious and amazing homemade cobbler. So let's get started. To make this amazing homemade peach cobbler, we're gonna start by first adding the butter into my baking bowl. 1/2 cup of butter, 1 stick of butter. We put it aside. Now I am ready for the dry ingredients. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of self-rising flour. I am going to incorporate it really good. And now I'm ready to add 1 cup of cold milk. I just want to make sure that I incorporate it really good so that you see no dry ingredients in this mixture. Look at this. The texture is going to be nice and thick, and that's exactly how you want it. I'm just going to mix away until it's nice and smooth. Look at this. Look how the texture looks. It's nice and thick and it's not too runny. That's exactly how you want it. Look at this. That's exactly how you want the mixture. I am going to put it aside and I am ready to start preparing the peaches. I have 1 whole can of 29 ounces of peaches with the juices. I'm adding nutmeg, salt, and cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. I am going to incorporate it really good, making sure that I don't see the cornstarch at all. The mixture needs to be nice and golden brown, and I'll continue mixing. This peach cobbler really comes out so delicious and amazing that once you make it, you're really going to enjoy it with your beautiful family. Let me tell you, you have control how much sugar you add to your peach cobbler. You have control how oily and how much butter you add to your peach cobbler. Well, this is going to be such a delicious and amazing peach cobbler. Well, now that the cornstarch has been incorporated really good into the liquid, I am ready to start making and preparing this amazing peach cobbler. We're going to go ahead, turn the oven on 350 Fahrenheit, and it's going to go in the oven for 25 minutes. Look at this. I am ready to start adding all the mixture of the peaches. Of course, not leaving anything behind. All that juice, we need to add it into the peaches because the juice is going to help the texture of your cake, the texture of your batter. So I want to make sure and I remove all the liquid. And once it's nice removed, I'm going to spoon in the batter. Yes, we're going to spoon it in. It's going to be nice and thick, and that's exactly how you want it. Let me tell you, this peach cobbler always comes out so delicious and amazing that I am sure that once you make it, you're really going to enjoy it, especially for the holidays and especially for the cold weather when you really want to enjoy something that is baked at home. Remember, when you bake at home, everything comes out so delicious and amazing. Once all your batter is inside, I am going to just add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar right on the top. Just 1 tablespoon. I'm going to be very gentle, very careful. I just want to cover the tablespoon right on the top of the dough. And now I am ready to put it in the oven for 25 minutes. Every oven is different, but once you poke the cake and the little stick comes out clean, that means it's done. After 25 minutes, look at this. This is really hot. It's nice and bubbling, and now it's nice and clean. So now I'm ready. I am ready to prepare my plate. The texture on the top is going to be so crunchy, so delicious, but yet the bottom is going to be so gooey. Look at this. This looks amazing. It's still really nice and hot. I'm going to go ahead, put it on the presentation plate, and of course I'm going to add a little more of the peaches right on the top. Let me tell you, you could enjoy it just like this, or you could add a scoop of vanilla ice cream right on the top. I told you the top is really nice and crispy. The aroma of this peach cobbler has invaded my kitchen. I am ready to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit, but I want to show you the texture. I want to show you how it's nice and crunchy from the top, but the bottom where the peaches are is so gooey and delicious. Look at this. This really looks amazing. Of course, you could cut the pieces so when your family is ready to enjoy, they just get a slice and they're ready to go. Look at this. Amazing. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this peach cobbler. Remember, when you make it at home, you have control of how much butter you add to your peach cobbler and how much sugar you add to your peach cobbler. This peach cobbler always comes out so delicious and so amazing. You could enjoy it just like this, or you could enjoy it with the scoop of vanilla ice cream. This is the part I love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes when they're still nice and gooey and nice and warm. Look at this. My mouth is watering and I can't wait to enjoy. Excuse me. So crispy from the top and really gooey from the center. Just amazing. Let me tell you, this peach cobbler, you could make it for your holidays. It's so easy to prepare and yet so delicious to enjoy. Amazing. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing peach cobbler at home, made with lots of love. If you liked and love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And of course, I will stay enjoying this amazing peach cobbler made with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.